Welcome to Dennislaw. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to effectively search for cases using our platform. With Dennislaw, you can easily access cases by searching for them in two different ways: by title of the case or by keywords in the document. Let's dive in. To search by title of the case, simply type the case title into the search bar. And click on the search button. Browse through the search results and click on the case you are interested in to view the full case details. If you prefer searching by keywords in documents, just enter the relevant keywords and click on the search button. From the generated list of results, select the case that best matches your search criteria and click on it to view the case details. It is that easy and simple to access your cases on Dennislaw. Our user-friendly platform makes finding legal information a breeze. Thank you for choosing Dennislaw and happy searching.